Star membership is for the people who really want to come and want to learn by do it yourself method. They get community support, they get every month live calls in which we brainstorm, we give them strategies and all much. So that is a pocket friendly for them if somebody wants to come and just have a taste rather than spending lakhs and then realize it is not for them. Then we have moon level. That is basically if you want to deep dive into flights, into hotel, into packages, or into visa business. So there are three different levels in moon that one can join if you really want to work for some company or you want to start your niche. So you can opt for that. Now the third, finally, we have sky membership. That is for the people who wanted to scale and get leads, consistent basis, automate your process, team building. So that all we covered.
Click on the link below and join the next webinar, and we'll see you live.